how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify store. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your purchased domain in GoDaddy and use it as a URL for your Shopify store. So first things first, when you go to your homepage in Shopify, if you haven't connected any custom domain yet, this setup guide will always appear over here. And you can easily click on add domain over here to begin the process. So over here, we could choose between two options. You could either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. You're going to select the connect an existing domain option over here, and you're simply going to paste the domain that you have in GoDaddy. After that, click on next, and you will wait for the next process over here. There will be instructions on what you need to do over here to be able to verify this. First things first, go to our manage over here in your domain, and you're going to go to our DNS server. So I think, let me go back. I selected the wrong thing. So let's go back. We're going to basically just going to add our records over here in our DNS records. So click on the DNS option over here, not the manage one. And in this one, we're just basically going to add records into our DNS over here. So simply add a new record and enter the information provided to us and click on verify. And after that, you will then be able to connect your domain to Shopify. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.